Welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to see the interface of ChatGPT, the important links that we can use to, learn how to do the things in ChatGPT and all, right? And what is the layout? What are the benefits of, getting plus plan? What is the ChatGPT plus plan? What is ChatGPT free plan and all those things, okay? So we are going to learn all these things in this video. So let us get first started with the first thing, that is your the layout of ChatGPT. Okay, so see, this is how your ChatGPT looks like, and you just have to write chatgpt.com. Okay, and the website that will get open, that this kind of website you will get open. So here, this is the type area in which you can type all your query string. Okay, so suppose hey guys, how are you, right? So you can type your query string right here. Like suppose maybe I can type hey, good morning, chat GPT, help me with, okay, so just like that, help me with something, something, something. Okay, so just like that, you can type your query string, and once you are done with typing your query string, this is the send button. In when you press this button, you will directly send this query string, right? Or suppose suppose if you don't want to write any kind of query string, right? So you can see this, you can use this as well, right? Suppose help me understand a technical document. If I just click on it, it will be automatically sent as a query string, and it will start generating you the output. Okay, it will start generating you the output. Now try to understand this thing, that okay, this is the query string. If you want to edit this query string, you can click on here, edit message, and you can say okay, this is my edit edited MESSAG. Okay, so send. So see now you can see this. If I have edited the message, it will say okay, now editing message will be there. If you want to see your previous message, you can click on here. So this was the previous message and its reply. If you want to see the latest message that you have done, this is the latest message and this is its reply. Okay, so this part is clear. I hope this part is clear, how to edit the message and how to see the previous message and the latest message. Okay, perfect. Now if you want to copy this entire message, just click on here. This message will be copied and you can now paste it anywhere. So let me show you. See, yes, the entire message is copied to your clipboard and you can paste it. If you like the message, hit like button. If you dislike the message, hit dislike button, which is now disabled since I have hit the like button. So you cannot do both of them at the same time, of course, right? So if you hit like button, dislike button will get disabled, and if you hit dislike button, like button will get disabled. Okay, now if you want him to speak, okay, so let's see. Of course, just share the technical document and I'll break it down simple to understand ideas. Can you see it? I'm not sure whether I can show that in this video or not. But I have tried to show you. Yes, it is speaking, right? It is speaking. Okay. If you want to regenerate the output, right? Or if you want to switch the model, right? If you want to regenerate, just click on try again with the same model. If you want any other model to use, you can switch the model as well. So see, when I switch the model, it gives me this output. And when you switch your model, right, when you switch your model or when you regenerate your output, okay, it always asks you that okay, whether this output is better, worse, or the same, right? So if I say same, it will just update its memory. That's it. It will just update its memory. That's it. Nothing else it is going to do. Okay, now see, we have two answers, so I can see both the answers by clicking over here. That's it. Perfect. And both the questions, this was my first question, this is my second question. So I hope this thing is clear, right? This area, right, this area is clear where we can chat. This is my chatting area, right? Now let's come to this part, right? Let's come to the left hand part over here. So over here, this is the toggle button. You can just toggle this section, right? And what is this section? This section contains your previous chats, right? It contains your previous chats and it contains some more GPT models, right? If you want to do a new chat, you can click on this button. It will allow you to do a new chat. See, now it has allowed me to do a new chat. Okay, now I can easily do the new chat. Okay, now if you see over here, so this chat was my previous chat, okay, and this is my new chat, okay. So this section keeps the history of my chats. I can revisit my chat and I can see what I did in that particular chat, okay. If I want to rename, then I can rename, okay, this is my chat, say latest chat, this is my latest chat, okay, and this is my, I will rename it to say old chat, old chat, okay. So you can always customize, you can always customize the names accordingly, right? Now what options do you have? You can share this chat. See, now this is my, I can create a public link. Now this link is being copied. Now if I open a incognito and if I paste it over here, then let's see see the entire chat, right? I can share the entire chat. Isn't it cool? Isn't this cool thing, right? Yeah, I can share the entire chat. Oh my god, this is the beauty of using ChatGPT. Now suppose if you have created anything, right? Suppose you have generated a code, you have generated a trip plan, or like anything, you can share that chat entirely. No need to prepare a document, no need to do anything. Just click on share and share that chat to anybody. Perfect. If you want to archive this chat, then yes, you can archive this chat. Now the chat is being archived, okay. And if you want to delete this chat, now archive chats are where I will tell you, okay. Now if you want to delete this chat, you can simply hit the delete button and yes, your chat will be deleted. This and this same button to create a new chat, okay. This, it is saying you to renew. If you want to upgrade your plan to plus, right, you can always renew it from here, okay. So it charges $20 per month. Oh my god, okay, okay. And what does it gives you? Early access to new features. All the new features, you will get the early access of that, right? Access to ChatGPT 4.0, 4.0 mini and 4, right? So there are models of ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT 3.5, 4, 4.0, 4.0 mini, right? So 3.5 is free for everyone, okay? 3.5 is free for everyone, but yes, if you want to get the access of ChatGPT 4.0, 4, 4.0 mini, then you have to switch to your pro plan, okay. Then yes, you can also, of course there is a limit, okay. Say in 1 hour, it's just an example, it's not the exact limit. So there is a limit that, okay, you can only message 10 times in 1 hour, right? So if you use pro, then that limit will of course get increased, okay. Then access to the advanced data analytics, file uploads, version and web browsing. So you cannot browse, you cannot do any kind of web browsing in ChatGPT 3.5, that is a free version. You cannot do any kind of file upload in your ChatGPT free version, right? But that is available in your paid version, okay. Image generation part you cannot do in your free version, but that is available in your pro version, okay. And create custom GPT. So custom GPTs is something which we will talk later on, not now, okay. So I hope this renew section, this section, new chat and all is clear to you. Right, now comes to this section, okay, my GPTs. So all the GPTs that you have created for your custom use, right, that will be present in my GPTs. If you want to customize any GPT as per your use, okay, then you can use customize GPT, and this is settings in which you can change the theme, language. See, this is the archive chat, okay. If you want to see archive chat, you can go from here and you can see the archive chat, okay. So this is my archive chat. If I want to unarchive, I can unarchive from here and it will be visible over like there. If you can see it is visible over there, right? Delete all chats and all those things, personalizations, and like you can do many things over here, right? You can do many more things over here. So when you hit the play button, what voice you want, right? You want like any kind of voice, you can choose it from here, right? So yes, this is some setting where you can personalize the chat GPT as per your use case, okay. Okay, so now that was something about the how ChatGPT's website layout looks like, right? Now let us try to understand that, okay, what are the important links, right? Suppose I want to know more, I want to stay updated, right? So what links I can follow to get to stay updated, right? To get the latest news about ChatGPT. So let us ask him, right? Let us ask him that, okay, ChatGPT, I want you, okay, tell me few hubs where I can get all the latest info of chat GPT. Let's see. Okay. So yes, here are some links. Okay, so it is saying OpenAI's official website. Okay, so yes, I can always go to OpenAI's official website and I can see what's buzzing topic, what's trending topic they have brought it into the chat GPT. I can use GitHub, right? GitHub's OpenAI GitHub. I can use Reddit. Okay, then I can use Twitter, of course, Twitter account. Then I can go with Discord channels, right? Then LinkedIn account I can follow. Okay, so these are some links and hubs which ChatGPT has given us, that okay, you can use these links to stay updated. Okay, so yes, I would definitely recommend you guys to follow it on Reddit, to follow, to join the Discord channels, right? To join Twitter, to follow them on Twitter, to follow them on LinkedIn, so that if any latest model, if any latest feature is being introduced in ChatGPT, you get the notification. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So yes, I guess if this thing is clear to you, then it's time to end this video and we'll meet again in some other video. Thank you.